Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Daraz affiliate program, guys. So what you want to do first is just come to Google and search for the Daraz affiliate program and just click on the first link, okay? Once you click on the first link, you're going to see this website. This is the official Daraz website, right? But this is not the website you can join the affiliate program from, okay? You need to click on sign up now. It's going to redirect you to another website where you fill up your form. There's another separate website for the affiliates, but first we need to sign up as an affiliate, okay, guys? So then you need to fill up this form. It's a long form, guys. It's not a small form. There's a lot of stuff you need to fill out, guys. So make sure you have at least, I would say 20 to 30 minutes at least, and all these information at your disposal, like nearby, guys. This is gonna take a while, okay? And once you fill this in, guys, you're just gonna have to wait a little bit to get approved. So it's going to take a little bit of time. Well, usually 1 to 3 business days, you will get a reply on your email, and then you'll be officially an affiliate and you can promote their products. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.